Actress Kehinde mà ti wọ gàù. Ó mà ṣe o, ìwọ lọ ń bẹ́ sí Olóyè Sunday Igboho. All right, my brother, my sister, this is another strong one that is reaching us. Well, as you can see on your screen right now, this lady, well, to me, I have not even seen her before. And then as she stands, I don't know. You know, there are so many people on social media that are trying to chase clout, yes. And then, she's not trying to chase that clout with a responsible, a notable, a warrior. In fact, a Yoruba nation father. That's what I can say right now. She wants to chase that clout with Chief Sunday Igboho, and a lot of people have reacted. In fact, this lady needs to go and pray very well because many people have raised different kind of curses on her. And well, we just decided to like, okay, fine, who is even this lady? Because we have been watching movie Nollywood and all that. We have not seen her face before. Trying to check her Instagram page, we now notice that she does not even have up to 600 followers. You can imagine. She does not even have up to 600 followers on her Instagram page. And yet, she is making noise. Yet, she's trying to be relevant. Calling Chief Sunday Igboho all sorts of names. Well, Chief Sunday Igboho finally replied and the one thing is, before Chief Sunday Igboho can reply you know that thing is so touching because I was so shocked. According to what she has said, she was talking about, Chief Sunday Igboho could not even speak fluently in English. You can imagine. Now, who English help, my brother? Who English help for this life? No be the same English wey we talk, say wey be say Fulani come dey kill all the people. You know how many doctors this same Chief Sunday Igboho don save? You speak English wey no fit save you. And then in case you don't know, many other countries, you have different countries that cannot even construct English, but they are doing well. So I don't know why this, as you can see, I don't even know how I'm going to describe her. You can see her picture, and a lot of people are not happy with what she has said. My brother, my sister, a lot of things have been said onto this one. This lady is in a very big mess right now for herself. And then meanwhile, Chief Sunday Igboho actually replied, and then according to Chief Sunday Igboho, he says, you can say whatever you want to say. This word is not our own. We shall live one day. Very simple. And then according to Chief Sunday Igboho, for Chief Sunday Igboho to have just altered that word, we are talking about vanity upon vanity in this life. No matter how you as a person will come out to say, you are this, you are that, at the end of it all, you are living this world. What is that thing that we are even carrying upon ourselves? A lot of people are dying on a daily basis with all their money, with all their English, with many things. And then somebody that is out there that have saved a lot of souls is that same person you can now come out to say you want to bring down. Oh my God, it's a shame and it's a pity for this lady. As far as Nollywood is concerned, I don't know why people said she's a Nollywood actress because we have not seen her anywhere. She does not have a follower. She does not have up to just 1,000 she could not get. And then now she's trying to chase clout. A lot of people do have actually reacted in different forms onto this one. Many people have said, Chief Sunday Igboho should not even answer her, that she's just trying to be popular. But it's so wrong. If you want to be popular, you don't come out to say you want to be popular with a big name like that. You don't come out to say you want to be popular with a father of Yoruba nation. You don't come out to say you want to be popular with somebody that is old enough to be your father. That's exactly the problem we have right now. And then a lot of people have made it clear that we love and respect our hero, Dr. Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho, like that, even if you can speak the whole English. And then meanwhile, I just tried to like check this girl out. We went through her pages. Even she could not even construct a simple and correct English on her page. So what's the hell? Are you trying to use somebody to get to the next level, which will never work for her? And then right now, she has just brought down her reputation because a lot of people are now of the opinion that this lady cannot even go anywhere. In fact, that 591 followers she already has will definitely drop henceforth. A lot of people have been unfollowing her. You can imagine somebody that has not gotten to any level. Look at what you have put yourself. And then right now, a lot of people are actually reacting in different from, well, she got no home training. I can tell you today that she is lost and she has lost everything. You can imagine. Just leave her alone, in as much as her mom has no home training. That is how she was lost already. You can imagine. If you can come out to say you want to know talk against people at your age, I don't know if this lady is even up to 22 years. As you can see her picture, I don't know. Even if she's up to, I'm not sure she's up to 30. She can never. And a lot of people, in fact, I'm getting a lot of reactions here. Somebody is saying that Kehinde knew what she is doing. She thinks she can use Chief Sunday Igboho's name to shine. Just leave her alone. What happened in Nigeria, she is not talking about, but she is now coming out to talk about a whole Chief Sunday Igboho, Okpotomu, Ile Yoruba Duro. That's another strong one. You can imagine that this girl has no failed. For Chief Sunday Igboho to have answered, my brother, my sister, this is so strong. And right now, a lot of people are trying to get to know more about this lady. Well, I'm going to send you details so that you understand that this lady does not even want it. All right, my wonderful sister Kate is in the building. I would like you to just come and check and then let the people understand what this lady is trying to pull. Yes, I know say you go the verse right now. All right, my people, let's make welcome Kate on this matter. Kate.
Me, I don't know this one. I never even see this one on TV before. Where this one for come? This small pick. This one a small pikin now. And as I dey see this girl now, Losho.
You see
So now this kind one can't come out, come dey beg to Chief Sunday Igboho.
too
She
bad.
no get respect. This kind one, we know this kind one. We know their type. She not even fine.
Abi?
We know her type. Her type now, all these ones where they do, where they find followers. They find followers online.
Exactly.
You don't see
Now
the
them
one
be
way
this.
find wetin you go
I
give
dey
you
tell you.
followers. Now Chief Sunday Igboho side, now you won't come there. You know they fear God. I know your type now. All these ones, no show than they do. But if at all you want a fine way to blow, don't be this kind one, this kind level. This one don't spoil your career. I swear, your career don't die from this time. Because all the courses where people don't they cause this girl. This girl no fit go anywhere. I swear. You know they see people where they talk to Chief Sunday Igboho. Na your type, you na small pikin. You no even see. You no even get level. Level you no get. No show. All these small girls, you dey find followers. May I tell you, this kind girl, dey find followers. Na online, she no dey see wetin her mate dey do online. Where dem go do fuck online, dem go post am, dem go say na boyfriend na him post leak am. They no dey see the way dem dey get view. Na that type she suppose to go dey do, no be for this one. No be for Chief Sunday Igboho side now. The girl, in fact, her career don spoil. E don finish. Nothing for you. You don finish. You don spoil yourself. You don spoil everything. She need to go to church. Make she go ask for forgiveness because she don spoil her career. She no even get career wey she dey spoil. Everything don spoil for am like this.
All right, Kate, you talk well. So now waiting with the talk be that this kind one we no get level. Well, my brother, my sister, hey, many things they happen, and this one a lesson for every other young lady, every other person self we just they come up. If you know say you want climb ladder, no go dey beg to agbalagba, no go dey beg to people wey be say hey, then go just bring down your career for life. And I said it for somebody like Sunday to come outside, come talk about this case. Say, you can say whatever you want to say. According to Sunday Igboho, this word is not our own. We shall live one day. Well, my brother, my sister, this is exactly what it is. Unto this one majority of things, though, had actually been said. Yoruba nation no going back. Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.